It will be a day that starts a positive next year or so in as far as the adventures, whether it be in Ghana, in South Africa, or throughout the continent. Moment of truth getting nearer and nearer as Asante Kotoko, of course, come across to firstly meet the referees, then the enemy on the day in the KAIZER Chiefs. Now, let's have a look and talk about the starting 11s here. Starting off with the home side, so to speak, in inverted commas then, shall you, in the KAIZER Chiefs. Players that will be looking to make an impression both ways. Some playing in front of their home support for the very first time. Others will be enjoying a start here, looking to impress their home supports a long way from the Man-Ahyia Stadium back in Ghana. But the men in your picture will look to start the season most positively, all because they are really playing in front of their home support here, and it's all about the cold and black and the festivities here today, as Peterson will be the man that starts between the sticks. Now, watch out for Shinga in the left back position, as well as Munyani in the new faces playing in front of their home support for the first time. Aiden McCarthy gets the big move alongside Mikel in the heart of that defense. Mambo in the middle of the park will be crucial in his early segment in KAIZER Chiefs, whilst Flavio de Silva, the man from Portugal, will also be another one that will look to hit the ground running in impressing the KAIZER Chiefs faithful. OJ sitting alongside me to go through Asante Kotoko. Manis. So for Asante Kotoko, then they will have the man from Guinea Kamara between the sticks. They've got Asaidli out in the wide left end, Amoa on the right. Watch out for the 21-year-old Atabo in midfield. Boko will be the man that leads the attack, whilst Antwi is another that will look to bring trouble the way of KAIZER Chiefs. Second season for Coach Nabi. Crucial season with the changes that have been made, and this is a team that will have his feel more and more, and he's getting used to the pre-game rituals out at KAIZER Chiefs and throwing those peace signs in the air before it all gets started. Well, there are those that have been there before. The Lepo, he didn't take too long in impressing the KAIZER Chiefs faithful. Flavio de Silva will be hoping to do likewise, yeah. Well, Asante Kotoko will look back to what happened in Liberté last year. Hope to do likewise in ensuring that the Cup doesn't end with KAIZER Chiefs celebrating at the end of the day. And in as far as pre-match rituals, both these sides have their ways of getting games started. Abdul Rito, the man to lead the Ghanaians. Now, they're ready to get started on both these sides. So both these sides with their pre-match rituals, or rituals I should say, just about done and dusted, ready now to get the skirmish underway. No mistaking the men from Ghana, they're in the red, attacking the goal to the right of your picture, whilst the home side KAIZER Chiefs are in the gold and black, attacking the goal to the left of your picture. It's Asante Kotoko to get this game underway, looking for revenge, lacking in trying to ensure that Kotoko pinned back. Now they look to find some spaces out wide here. Good ball, good first touch and driving run, getting to the byline, and ball in too close to Peterson, but positive from the Ghanaians.
Lilepo, lollipop. Kakalaba Kokabayatar la Komaraho, Ahmed Kamara. Abayatar la Komaraho, Mohamed Kamara, Unamuliki la Kakala. Liga wana la Jordi Lipopo, Lilepo. Serena kwa ipakanya, Kokali Rumo Fela Kileo. ya be rota jalo mo diatleng a tsagama Mohamed Kamara le le goga ka Cherese Albert Moa ba wetlo sa phile a re bone Antwi a ba romela Brandon Peterson a ba tshwara tlogela tswela ka kwanta sekutla free header in the box bathula ka tlhogo ba ne ba sa tikaganyetswa ke ope.
Lovely work in eliminating two. Now Vilagazi with options, and once again he's won the set piece in a great area. Well, things getting physical out on that field, Munyani. Enough space to get it up and over and get the tip. Up over! And just wide. Had it covered, did Mohamed Kamara. Vilagazi didn't look like he missed by much. Certainly, we'll argue he had it covered, the camera.
Aiden McCarthy.
Now McCarthy.
Aleka Waya Gachi. I want to study that. We want to be talking. I want to sing. I want Chiefs Matadira Mokilinia. Abanajani Pulemori.
Finds the teammates! They can't find the yard for the shot, KAIZER Chiefs. And able to slow them down for just a moment. Lovely movement of the ball here. Now the ball across. It's great goalkeeping from Kamara. The 25-year-old stands at 194, has got a lovely presence inside that box. Lord Samba O'Neill. Many of them still 23, 22, 21 years of age, a few that are 25. 6 push forward here for KAIZER Chiefs. Game held up, so the referee can have a word with one of, in fact, a couple of players. One of them is Aiden McCarthy, the other is Samba O'Neill, who's just picked up the yellow card. So, ball in, far post, and well, it's very nearly an own goal, cleared off the line then. Now, there's the corner, or rather the cross, I beg your pardon. Again, easily dealt with Kotoko having enough numbers back. Chiefs again looking for another opportunity, and well, they're appealing for a penalty. How much of that contact from Ansu was enough to cause the foul? Don't look only up at the shoulder. One has to wonder if there's contact between them in their feet as well. Can lead Chiefs take the lead from the spot? There's Miguel! Oh, it's gone wide! They can't believe it. Oh, they're living dangerously. Kotoko. Just about 5 remaining.
Rota Papate fell by force up. Well, I tell Motel and Yaga Man-Ahyia. It's a Miguel Momo captain in one nail. Robella Little Papillo nail.
So, 8 minutes. KAIZER Chiefs
Asante Kotoko.
But his penalty went wide of the mark. Most definitely one of them. At the end of it all, Shabalala coming in the second half with Modi and Duba to a good effect on the front foot. That moment where Miguel, of course, had missed from the penalty spot, which, well, begs the question, will Miguel be amongst the 5 to step forward for KAIZER Chiefs to take a penalty? Usually the answer is yes in situations of that nature. Well, and as far as the men from Ghana, Asante Kotoko, they themselves will be looking for a good showing, a positive 5 to, well, step up and get the better of Brandon Peterson. Hardly tested in this match. This moment, of course, coming in the first half where he dealt with a header that came in off the surface. That was a little too straight right above him, so comfortable height, comfortable save. So the test will be tougher from the penalty spot, and he may need to be at his very best the former Ajax and Bidvest Westman. Well, in the Legends game a little bit earlier, it was 3 penalties aside. I can assure you it will be 5 penalties aside this time around. So both goalkeepers being reminded of the rules here. Pila Ngosi Kumalo, the match referee. Pearson the first to try and come up with the heroics in the way of making a save. Kotoko will look for the early advantage. There's Ansu is the first to step forward. The 26-year-old international. Eyes on the ball here. So far, hardly having a peek at Brendan Peterson. So, here is Ansu. Oh, that's beautifully done. Keeper gets right, but found the bottom corner, and it's Asante Kotoko that take the advantage in this penalty shootout. Eye on the ball, eye on the prize, and well, would have needed something truly special from Peterson to come up with the save.
Fela jaaka ke ne ke go boleletse gore fa ke ne ke bona KAIZER Serino a emela kwa bankeng mo metsotsong ya bofelo ka gore ka re lebaka legolo e tla tswa le gore mokatese o rata go bona tsa penalty go ntse fela jalo KAIZER Serino ke ena go tsa kgweleo.
Coming from the penalty spot here.
One Asante Kotoko, another KAIZER Chiefs. I don't want to say Serino with Camille Mofofu, I are Kogoyone. 1-1.
Wow, that's beautifully done. Kept it cool, yeah, makes it look
1-1.
In and making it 1-1.
1 KAIZER Chiefs, 1 Asante Kotoko.
In the way of experience.
Ankaya Chiefs, Yipino Libiwela, Aikutra Baritibala. Wanagamota Maiketleng Amuisaka Kobupirima. Ata Pilewa Baka Kobutava. Onayo wa KAIZER Serino. Hoya Jalo Asante Kotoko.
So, 1 penalty converted apiece here. And what's stepping forward is Amoa. And two already. Put one beyond Peterson from the penalty spot. Here is Albert Amoa. Boos from around the Moses Mapida Stadium to add to the pressure for Amoa. Start a step. Amoa it is! Again, keeper sent the wrong way. That's nicely done. We've seen some top quality penalties so far. The keeper's really standing no chance of getting onto the end of it. Handled the pressure well. Handled the pressure superbly, did Amoa.
Hoya Jalo, KAIZER Chiefs. Wandile Tuba, Kena Rotan Quilio.
Here is Tuba, another of the amendments coming off the bench for KAIZER Chiefs.
Wawe Koma, Tuba Quilio.
Takers for both coming off the bench
Chiefs.
In the second half.
Etwanete Ronosa, Holekale Kanyadino. Faba Fosa, Seosetabuse, Pastor Pasa, Asante Tiamelo. Manamalele, Kaba, Urtetegaripale.
Right by camera. Advantage.
Camera Pilio. Onasa Tigamata Quantele Pilelo, one delay Duba.
It's not their take from the penalty.
Onasa Tigamata, one delay Duba.
Turn it around. Easy penalty to save. It lacked power. It wasn't directed well.
Ataulo Kaisireleta Pileo, Lekawanale, La Camara, Mahomet. Segura Siri. Dipe, this copper, Asante Kotoko. Killing with KAIZER Chiefs. Kotoko Yakota Yaboran.
Well, they look for the real advantage now. To Asante Kotoko. It's Lord Amoa. Looking to make it 3-1 in favor of Kotoko. Amoa! Oh, it's gone wide! Oh, keeper gets right. Didn't matter in the end. Chiefs may very well have a lifeline. A chance to turn it all around here. Looking for the bottom corner. very similar to the penalty taken earlier by Mikel, where he missed it within the 90 minutes.
Chiefs jano ba yetse gore ba tshwanetse go leka jadino
Eshabalala.
hoya jalo mthuthuzi yo puseng khwilentle mo motshameko mo karolong ya bobedi a itako tsa le kontra le bokoso la 18
Kotoko ahead.
o tla baakanya seo kgotsa o tla nna le sego mo nakong e
Camera.
o lebelela do or die ke yone nako eo ke ene kgotsa loso a re bone
Cheeky. So cheeky.
a te bone Panenka
They would have enjoyed that around the country.
kantele pale ke bone Manda Masango pula le bone mo motshameko wa ntlha o kila dira seo kgatlhano le Orlando Pirates Manda Masango gompieno diriwa jalo ke mthuthuzi
Oh, man.
Panenka ba itsa ba mo letlhoeng a re bone Asante Kotoko.
Oh, they enjoyed that. They thoroughly enjoyed that on the KAIZER Chiefs bench. Now, there's Man-Ahyia, the 22-year-olds. Well, they have to place it right once again, according to the referee. That may add to the nerves here for Patrick. They missed the last one. Need to convert this. Yeah! Denied by Peterson. Went for power. And Peterson got a strong contact onto that and keeping that away. So Chiefs with a chance to grab the advantage here as we go into the second half of this shootout in the first five. Went straight. In the end, Peterson, but his body behind it quite nicely.
Hoya jalo topa za KAIZER Chiefs Bagota Yabone KAIZER Chiefs
So
Bagota
McCarthy
Yabone
looking to give
Hayden McCarthy kene
Chiefs the
Bagota
advantage.
Khileo
serious
Hayden
advantage
McCarthy
now.
kene Bagota Khileo
The
Arabona
second
McCarthy
defender. Oh, it's denied here by
Abasireleza
Camera.
Kamara
It's another save for Camera.
Abasireleza Kamara
So both goalkeepers adding to the
Chiefs ba
drama.
ba solofetse gore ba tla tolosa ketapele
And both these sides
Fela.
once again struggle
setlogolo sa ka kwa Freiburg
to have
Kwa
one
Coleridge.
separate itself from the other in the contest.
a retelelwa ke seo a re bone Asante Kotoko
Now, tough day here. The Chiefs can't pull away from Asante Kotoko. Nor can Asante Kotoko pull away from KAIZER Chiefs in open play, nor in the shootout. Both have the chance here to take the advantage, and both seeing the goalkeepers at their very best. So, they missed the last two. Kotoko, and they bury this. Oh, what a save from Peterson! Keeper's day in this shootout. Did he move a little early? There's a certain protest here from the Ghanaians against Brendan Peterson. Mohamed Camara seems to have a lot to say. Mansour's got a lot to say. Oh, in this case, O'Neill, I beg your pardon. But there is one more penalty to be taken here for KAIZER Chiefs to convert. And, well, win the whole thing. If they do convert, I do suspect the officials had miscounted. But still, Camera is saying the keeper was off his line here. He's saying Brendan Peterson had left his line. Chiefs with a chance to seal it.
Motserganye kete dia mo tlhakatlhakanyetsa a re bone ka motsabo iketlileng
Look at it again.
lobaka a tswile mo dikoteng Brendan Peterson bonnete ke gore o tswile pele ga nako Brendan Peterson
Is Brendan Peterson.
ba go tsaya botlhano mme fela ba tsentse kopano go ya jalo Pule Modi
Making it cases, Mohamed
Pano
Camara.
Saye Modi Pano Saye Chiefs
to win it for
ke
KAIZER
ditshimega tsa monongwaga tsa the Toyota Cup Fabano sa ye Kaizer Chiefs ke ditshimega tsa setšhana sa Toyota. A re bone Pule Modi. A re bone Pule Modi.
Against camera.
Wa ya go yone Pule.
Then KAIZER Chiefs the Toyota.
A ba sireletsa.
Camera.
Ba tle ba re tsiamo e tle diragale kana go dingwe.
Chiefs
Ba re ba tswile pele ka nako.
Kotoko 3.
Motshwaradi wa Chiefs Brandon Peterson. Bano sa Chiefs ba letelelwa.
Comfortable heights.
Me tsanonga le ka wona la Mohamed Kamara ho sireletsa nno yeo. 2-2.
Lovely reactions. Now, here's Johnson. Sudden death by the away. And Johnson up against Peterson. He had left his line, by the way, in the last. They've struggled in the last 3 in as far as conversions. Can Johnson get them back to scoring ways? The answer is yes. Sends the keeper the wrong way, and immediately the pendulum swings over the KAIZER Chiefs in the way of pressure, real pressure. Now in sudden death, they have to convert to stay in at KAIZER Chiefs. Nicely done. Kept his cool.
Adebone Chiefs. What's penalty? Yeah, sudden death.
Was it Miguel stepping forwards?
Me batshwanetse go ka eno sa go ya Miguel Inacio.
Man who missed the penalty.
Hoya Chalo Inacio mo kgelenyeo. Hoya Chalo Inacio go kgelenyeo. Batshwanetse ba bua ba kwa morago jaanong Chiefs. Ha ba tsotlele le bone ba leng kwa pele, ba leng kwa pele ga jana. Ke stoppa sa Asante Kotoko.
Mr. Target altogether.
Miguel.
90.
Ole bangana chalo le camera.
Why? Yes,
Yes,
oh, denied by camera.
Katola bobedi.
Asante Kotoko.
Penalty.
He turned the cup
Wala
champions.
tsatsile gompieno.
captain misses
Mesa
twice.
sera gore.
In a one
Chiefs.
day, back to
Ya la
once.
tegelwa.
And it's
Inacio
on another
Miguel.
occasion. Moment camera.
Afosa penalty. Le katola bobedi mo motshamekong.
Well, two
Le
Toyota
gopedile
Cups,
stoppa
one
sa
against the young and
Asante
limited last
Kotoko
year.
fela jaka.
Never final winners.
Stoppa sa Young Africans. A dirile mo setetse se fetileng. Ka kwa Tebeni. Se diriwa seo ke stoppa sa Asante Kotoko 3, Asante Kotoko 2.
The wait
KAIZER Chiefs.
crown Toyota
What
Cup
a kgathago ya di-penalties.
champions will continue
Mothers.
for KAIZER Chiefs.
Re dirile fa se re lefa.
Thoroughly enjoyable day of
Re
football.
dirile fa se le re lefa.
They'll be hoping
Ka ura
things are much
Stoboloko.
better going forward as we
Bona ka
look
motho ba
back at
iketlileng.
the save
A e
against
sireletsa.
save.
Re feditse.
It's a poor
O
penalty.
fedile.
in
Asante
all
Kotoko ke
honesty.
ditshimego.
And for the Canadians, they've had to work hard to take us into the penalty shootout and to enjoy the celebrations late in the day. So, at the end of it all, after it ended,
Otswetso re dirile go lekane go fitlhelela re kopana mo nakong e tlang mme re lebelela jalo go ntshiwa ga sejana tla ke tle tla kopana mo nakong e sa fediseng teng.